A separate house within a house, rooms of joy in a room of sadness. By the chimney, warm, but farther out, cool. The light shines down to disappear. The darkness rises, glows of red and black, laughing in silence. Streamers of blood in the party of death, with corpses dancing in a dream. Dancing, 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 dancing.